all welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and are safe. And for those of you all who are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti and I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle content on my channel and I post it every week. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and also don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I post a new video. So yes, for today's video I'm back with yet another haul video and this probably would be the last haul for this year. So I'm talking about the Myntra end of reason sale that is going on right now. So it started from 18 and it's up till 23. So I shopped like as I was an insider member, so I shopped like in the pre-sale access. So yes, I shopped on 17th midnight and today is like 19th and I have received almost all the orders that I placed. Like there's just one product that I didn't receive, but I thought let's just film because it could be helpful in some way or the other. But yes, there are definitely certain hits and misses that I faced, like जो भी products मैंने लिए हैं. There are interesting products as well as certain random buys. So yes, if you are excited, please do continue watching. And yes, without much ado, let's just dive straight into the video. The first item is a black jeans that I really wanted to get, and this time I bought a wide-legged black jeans. So this is how it looks. It's a proper wide-legged jeans and it's high-waisted. So yes, like this season high-waisted and wide-leg jeans were in a lot of trend and I really wanted to get one. Like normal black jeans so everyone should own in their wardrobes, but a wide-leg jeans literally lifts your look and this one definitely makes me look taller. So yes, this is from the brand Coty if I'm pronouncing it correctly, and I got this in the size 26. So it's high-waisted, so yes, normally I wear 26 in the mid-rise, but high-waisted at the 26 I got. मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा डाउट था कि ये फिट होगी कि नहीं perfectly, but yes, it fits me really perfectly. So this time I've written all the prices in which the products were purchased. So yes, this one in particularly retails for 1,999 and in the sale it was available for 619. But yes, I got it for just rupees 520 because as it's the biggest sale of the year, it has really amazing offers. Like there are products up to 50 to 80% off in this sale. Yes, there were amazing offers running. Like on a minimum purchase of 3,000, you could get 10% instant discount. And then I also referred my friends and got some extra mint cash that was also applied like on the checkout. And I purchased all the items from the Lady Shop app. Yes, it's not sponsored, but it had amazing deals. There also I got some discount. So you can definitely grab amazing products in this sale. So yes, I got this amazing pair of jeans, like a solid black denim, just for rupees 520, and there are basic like 2 pockets. And one thing that I really like that it does not have any visible logos on the jeans. So अगर आप crop tops वगैरह इस पे पहनोगे, so that would not be visible. And personally, in my opinion, it does not look good. And मुझे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई because you can pair it up with so many different things like cropped hoodie हो, cropped sweaters हो, cropped tops हो in the summers, and you can pair it up with chunky sneakers or boots, and it would look really amazing. So the next item is a makeup product, like it's basically a repurchase. Like Wet n Wild has really amazing deals and offers. So I got this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and this time I got this in the shade medium tawny. Like earlier I had the light medium beige, but that was probably a highlighting shade. But this is the perfect match and I have applied it today. As you can see, it looks so amazing. Its finish is really good, like as I've used it earlier, so I know how it performs. And it was packed really well and came in 2 boxes. Like firstly this was the box and then there was this smaller box in which the product was there. So this is how the smaller box was. So there was no chances of like breaking or anything of that sort. So I was really impressed by this thing. So this one retails for 499 and on offer like it was there on a flat 50% off, which was like 250 something. And yet again I got this for only 230 after applying all the offers. So yes, you can definitely grab some amazing products that you wanted to buy as the sale is till the 23rd. So the next product is this really pretty cardigan that I'm wearing. It's this really pretty light blue, baby blue sort of a color, as you can see. Like I really wanted to purchase this sort of a cardigan क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा trending है. So it's this perfect fit, cropped yet not so cropped, and I really like this one because it's my favorite color, baby blue. And in the last H&M haul, I also showed you all a baby blue sort of a sweater. That one also I really liked, and this one also, it's like really pretty. You can literally see the knit work. It looks so fine and good. Like it has these blue buttons in the front all over. So you can pair this cardigan slash sweater, like whatever you want to call this, with high-waisted jeans and trousers, and it will look really flattering क्योंकि ये exact आपकी waist पे आता है. So that's really good about this particular cardigan, and it's from this brand Dressberry. So I ordered it in the size S, and this one particularly retails for 2249, but I got this for just rupees 560. So yes, it was definitely a steal deal. So the next item is also a pair of jeans, and it's this really pretty dark green colored jeans. So this particular green color I saw in the H&M app, and it retailed for 1299, I suppose. Yes, I particularly remember because in the last haul I purchased baby blue sort of trousers, like they were wide leg, and in the same category it had this green sort of color, and this color really looks amazing. This one basically is high-waisted paperback jeans. Like in the front it has these two buttons with this V sort of cutting in the front, but at the back it has this elasticated thing which gives the paperback effect. So yes, this is high-waisted paperback jeans, and this one gives you really good slouchy loose sort of effect. And one amazing thing that was different from like other jeans or trousers that I had tried, it has these two pockets in the front which makes it look really different from the other jeans that I had ever tried. So it looks really amazing, and at the back also you have two pockets, but yes, these are illusion pockets because it's like just the show. There's nothing opening to it, and I really like this one. It fits me up till the ankle. It's the perfect fit, I would say. And this is from this brand Sassafras. Like this particular brand is also really famous on Myntra. So I ordered this in the size S, and it retails for 1999, but I got this for just rupees 590. So it was really a steal deal. Like green color already is giving me Christmas vibes. So yes, I'll be definitely wearing this on Christmas. So the next item that I got is the most random purchase that I did in this haul. So they are particularly these shoes from the brand Dressberry, and this is how it came. It came in this cardboard sort of box, and when you open it there are these yellow mid-top sort of Snickers, and let me show you. So this is how the bright yellow Snickers look like, and I particularly got this. I thought that it will look really good on certain outfits, like अगर आपको color blocking या कुछ ऐसा करना है, so it would look really amazing. And जैसा ये ऐप पे था वैसा ही है एकदम, like the color is exact जैसा आपको ऐप पे दिख रहा था. But I am not satisfied with this. I'll tell you why. Because like this one retails for 1299, but I got this like after offers and all. I got this for 400 something. If I see the price point like 405, तब तो ठीक है. But अगर आप इसका MRP देखो तो उस हिसाब से the product is not that good. Like जब मैंने इसमें पैर डाला, so you can see the lining it has. Like ऐसे इसमें लाइन बन गई. I don't know how. And अभी तो ये first time था. जब ये काफी यूज हो जाएगा तो this line would be really prominent and visible, and that would really not look good. I think that I would be returning this क्योंकि काफी यूज इसका नहीं हो पाएगा. But if you guys wanna try this, you can, because इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. But yes, just because of this, I would definitely return this one. So the next particular two products were literally all over my Instagram feed. Like मैंने इतने ज़्यादा ads देख लिए इसके कि I was tempted to buy these. So both are shoes only, yes. So this one is from this brand Red Tape, and I think that they have launched their new range, which is the Air Plus. तभी इतने ज़्यादा ads थे. I don't know, मैंने तो पहली बार देखा ये. But yes, they were definitely really attractive. You can already see how amazing it looks. It's in this really pretty lilac color, which looks so amazing. Like this is how the shoe looks. It has this bubble sort of thing which is going on the half mid back section, which is supposed to give you more comfort. And I really like जब मैंने ये पहना, it looks really amazing, and it has this mesh sort of thing in the front, and the laces and everything with this pink strip going on and the bubble thing. It looks so amazing. These are basically running shoes. Here is the Red Tape brand written and the logo at the back. and Air Plus is written here. So all in all, I really like these, and comfort wise also they are really amazing. So I got this in the size UK 03. Like normally I wear UK 4, but in the review section I saw that you should buy a size lower than what you usually wear. So I got this in the size UK 03 and it fits me really well. And this one retails for 5599, which is huge. एंड इस पे कुछ 75% ऑफ था. सो आई गॉट दिस, लाइक जो ऑफर प्राइस था ऐप पे दैट वाज 1399, बट आई गॉट दिस फॉर जस्ट ₹1100. So that was really good, like a really comfortable and a really good looking pair shoe for just ₹1100 or 1200 is a really steal purchase. Like there were literally various colors and options available, so you can definitely check this out. Next also are the pair of shoes from the same brand, Red Tape, and it's also from the Air Plus range. So this particularly pair of shoes I liked more like when I saw on the app, because it's this very pretty salmon pink sort of a color. Let me show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's like really pretty, like very pretty color I would say. And मुझे लगा था क्योंकि ये बबल सॉर्ट ऑफ मटेरियल पूरी शू पे है, सो दिस वुड बी मोर कंफर्टेबल. बट समहाउ आई फील दैट जो पहले वाले शूज थे वो ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगे मुझे, एंड ऑन मी पर्टिकुलरली मुझे वो वाले ज्यादा पसंद आए. सो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो नॉट बैड, बट कंफर्ट वाइज अगर देखें तो वो ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल है. एंड इट ऑल्सो रिटेल्स फॉर अ हायर प्राइस देन द अर्लियर वन. दिस वन रिटेल्स फॉर 6599 एंड लाइक ऐप पे आपको 1659 समथिंग का मिल जाएगा. But I got this for just ₹1392 after like offers and all. So yes, that's that. And इसमें like 3 color options were there: white, this one, and there was this black, I suppose. Yes. So this is how it looks. Like Red Tape इसमें यहाँ पे लिखा है and Air Plus is written here. So this is a thread work sort of thing which is really pretty, and यहाँ पे light pink sort of effect दिया हुआ है. So all in all, this shoe is nice, but according to the comfort aspect of it, I would say that those were much comfortable than this one. So the last item that did not arrive are these Roadster joggers, which are solid green. Like these one particularly gave me those H&M jogger vibe. So these particularly retail for 1299. And I got these for just ₹400. So I thought let's just try कि कैसा आता है. I don't think इतनी बेकार quality होगी, because I definitely have tried Roadster के products and I definitely like their quality. So that is all for this video. Hope you all liked it, and if you did, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. And until then, take care, and I'll be back next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye. Thank you.